Hello guys, this is Coach Tanki and today I have Coach Katleo. So the fats high. She's been in this training for a very long time. Experience the body fats. I know this is very important for everyone. Can you all listen carefully? So Coach Katleo, you can continue.
Hello guys, my name is Coach Katlego. Today ke tlo le share la ka di healthy fats. So the healthy fats ke the concentrated source of the kilojoules tse leng gore mebele ya rona ya di tlhoka in small amounts so that they can function hantle. So the healthy fats tse ke buang ka tsone ke the unsaturated fatty acids, for example the polyunsaturated fats tse leng gore ba di bitsa di omega 3. And then we have the unhealthy fats tse leng gore tsone re di bitsa gore ke di saturated fats, like the processed snacks, the animal foods tse leng gore tsone di ka etsa gore re nne le cholesterol e godimo. So tse ke buang ka tsone tse ke reng ke di healthy fats ke tse leng gore di ka etsa gore di keep blood cholesterol ya rona in a normal range. So
now you are telling us more about the functions that the healthy fats, because this also mostly they wanna lose weight, they don't want to eat fats, but now Coach Kato is gonna share with us on the benefits of eating the healthy fats because we all need the fat. So you can share with us, Coach Kato.
Guys, jadi fats, it doesn't mean utlonona or anything like that. Because the healthy fats di thusa ka a normal functioning ya boko and gore khone go nna le vision e gantle, di maintain le blood pressure ya rona le triglycerides levels. So it's not only ka khanya gore re tshwantse re di jele gore re none.
Thank you very much. So we just had the healthy fats are very important for Bokoba. Remember that the brain, you use it to think, to reason, for taking a decision, for learning, for memory. So when the function you really need your brain to work or function normally. So abulela habeka the normal vision because it's also part the fats the blood pressure and so on. So we need to eat the healthy fats, guys. And now I want Coach Katla also to help us for the last time I refer the examples of the healthy fats so that we can be able to make the meal plans, we can be able to eat these fats and include them in our plate each and every day. So you can tell us, Coach Katleo.
Fish elong go tshwantse o ije at least 2 mo bekeng, ke di nuts, ke olive oils le di avocado. It's part ya dijo tse tshwantseng o di include ga o ja so that o kgone gore your brain can function hantle, o kgone go bona sentle, o kgone gore the blood pressure ya hao e be in a normal range.
Thank you guys. I hope you are all going to practice this healthy eating with our topic for today for fats. So we need to eat the healthy fats. Goodbye.
Bye guys.